7 ways to earn money online. Number 1. Freelance work. You can offer your skills and services to clients through websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. Number 2. Online surveys. Some websites such as Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer cash or gift cards for taking online surveys. Number 3. Selling goods on marketplaces. You can sell new or used items on platforms such as eBay or Amazon, either as an individual seller or through a store. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate programs. Number 5. Providing virtual services. You can offer your services remotely, such as tutoring or consulting, through websites such as TutorMe or Clarity. Number 6. Creating and selling digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or printables on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Number 7. Participating in paid online focus groups. Companies pay people to participate in online focus groups to gather feedback on their products or services. Note, as with any opportunity to make money online, be wary of scams and do your research before investing time or money in any opportunity. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icons to get notified for more upcoming videos.